Several GTA 6 rumors have stirred buzz among gamers globally, but Rockstar Games has still managed to keep the game's price off the radar. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. With the staggering production costs involved, many fans expect the title to be priced above the $70 standard for current generation consoles. But Take-Two CEO Strauss Zelnick has now addressed the price concerns surrounding the game. At the Interactive Innovation Conference, Zelnick discussed GTA 6 pricing, saying, "Players will pay for the value we bring to them, and our job is to charge way less of the value delivery." He said that consumers need to feel like the thing itself is amazing and the price they were charged was fair for what they got. Moreover, Zelnick talked about conventional pricing for video games, which has largely remained consistent for over a decade. Like AAA games on 9th generation consoles now usually cost $70, and even some new games like Nintendo's Mario Kart World have started testing the $80 price point. Zelnick says that despite the price rise, video game pricing are still cheaper if you consider inflation. However, Take-Two CEO did not confirm if GTA 6 would be priced above $70, but this all hinted at a more premium price fitting the content they offer. He said that Take-Two and Rockstar were focused on making the most spectacular piece of entertainment on earth. Zelnick's words suggest that GTA 6 would not be priced at a ridiculous new price point for video games, and ultimately would be very reasonable and represent good value for money for buyers. GTA 6 is scheduled to release on November 19, 2026 for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS, so Rockstar is likely to officially reveal pricing and pre-order details in the coming months. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.